Welcome back everybody to 164 Revival. It is shop truck build. Right here we got a 56 Ford panel all done up in a ugly Queen of Hearts card deco. Ugh, it's going bye-bye. Doing a makeover. Gonna put some cool wheels on it. Get a good paint job. Slap the logo on this dude because this is, as Deep Junk is referred, the shop truck is the calling card. So where you're going out and you're getting parts, you're talking to people. It's a driving billboard. So let's get her to our part. Let's get at it. Alright, let's get this base. Oh, that was easy. That was one of the easier ones I've ever done. Blue plastic base. I'm going to pop them wheels out of there. Just not a fan of the Hot Wheels wheels, but that's how they make them, cheap and fast. Let's see what kind of interior we got in here. Looks like it's a combination with the engine. Come on, get out of there. There we go. All chrome. Not going to be able to see it though, so I probably won't really mess with it. I might do a little detailing there in the engine, on the blower, maybe darken that up a little bit. You really can't see much of that because that hood comes right across there, so but we'll see what we can do. Not crazy about the red glass, but I guess this would make a pretty decent gasser, which I think somebody in my last video when I presented this kind of gave that option. Do a gasser shop truck. Let me get these posts drilled. Get them drilled and get them tapped. A lot of guys like to use oil. I just get some wax on there. Get this in here and get them tapped. Well, those aren't self-tapping, obviously, because I had to tap them. I think I got these on Amazon. 256 screws. I don't mind tapping them. It's not really a big deal. Now we're ready for the stripper. Here we go. We're going to dunk her into the clean strip aircraft stripper. Get her good and coated. Yeah, that stuff, before I even got it down, it's already coming off. Yeah, it's just peeling away nicely. And use a little microfile here. Now there is right across the, right there. Kind of goes on down. So I'm gonna get rid of that, but let's kind of hit these windows here and clean these up just a little bit. They're not bad. Now off camera I did a little bit of Scotch-Brite on there just to do a little extra cleaning up. So let's prime it up. Okay, first step, gonna put some white Stynol res. Gonna get her loaded up and get her sprayed on. Alright, I'm going to mask off some striping here. I got some pinstriping there from Hobby Lobby. I'm going to start off so I can do some red. I'm going to use some acrylic from US Art Supply. I'm going to hit the red right down the middle. As you can see, I've got that opened up there. Get that. Then once I've got that red down, then I'm going to mask that red. And then we're going to go, as you see here, we're going to hit that with the black sparkle over the top. Okay, got the masking off. It's not quite perfect, but it looks pretty good. Alright, we're going to finish up with some decals here before we go with our final clear coat. Looks like that went on really good. Just wick away. The excess water here. And I like to use this microsol. This solvent catches the edges, flattens them out. Make sure once you do the clear coat, then it looks like everything's painted on and it's not a sticker. You don't see the edges. Right, we're ready to do the base. Just going to do a simple flat black on it. I took a matchbox, an old matchbox hitch off of a car, glued her up on there because, well, if you got a shop truck, you got to have a hitch on there in case you got to pull a trailer or such. I'll probably do some, some weathering, silver on there, bring out some of the detail on it, but pretty simple thing we're going to take care of real quick, and then put some new rims and tires on this bad boy. And alright, right now we're going to hit this base with some black, get it taken care of, do some detailing on that bottom side there. That should be done, so let's hit it. Alright, we got everything ready to put back together. Got the base painted up. Got my monoblocks on the hair. Screen's looking good. So let's put her all back together here. Didn't do anything really to the interior. You can't really see that interior all that well. I did a little bit of detailing on the air cleaner there. Just colored her up a little bit. Got the hitch on there, and it went on there really good. That was from a Matchbox. It's got the had one of the white hitches on there. I think that came from this Lotus Europa. Let's see, cut that off, and I'll be redoing that at some point in time. And it didn't need a hitch on the back of that. So get my 256s in there. And I got a little aggressive on one of these, and with that plastic base, so I gotta throw a washer on there. All right, let's get her on the turnstile. So there she be, the 164 Revival shop truck in all her glory.